Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, today I just went ahead and used a new palette along with my Morphe 3502 palette to create this look. So if you're new, please just go ahead, subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm going to first go in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the Blaze, Fire, Brick and Wiz, and I'm going to use that on my lids. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump into my new palette, which is the Pixie palette by Petra, and I'm going to be using that shimmery blue shade, the navy blue shade, along with the silver. And yeah, just continue to watch and enjoy. After using the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fitme concealer in Honey Miel, and I'm going to use that to cut a half cut crease, and then I'm going to use my finger to blend like the edge of the concealer to the black eyeshadow so it doesn't look harsh. I'm using my finger to blend it in. It's gonna blend in much better than using a brush. And then I'm going to go over the area that I've concealed with my Pixie palette. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, and I'm going to use that to do a wing. After doing my wing liner, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Then I'm going to go ahead, do my entire face, which is my foundation. I light with my concealer, my contour, and then set my face with setting powder, and then go ahead and do my highlights and set my face with my setting spray. So yes, it's gonna just be the same thing that I usually do to my face. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild brown pencil, and I'm going to use that to line my lips, and then I'm going to be using my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and I'm going to use that to in Corset, and I'm going to use that to apply to my lips. And then I'm going to apply my mascara, and yeah. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoy it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments. Thank you. Bye.